To buy a call-debit spread on Robinhood, start by understanding what a call-debit spread is. A call-debit spread, also known as a bull call spread, is an options trading strategy that involves buying a call option with a lower strike price and selling a call option with a higher strike price. Both options have the same expiration date and underlying asset. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the options trading section. Select the stock you want to trade and choose the options chain. Look for the call options section and select the expiration date you are interested in. Choose the strike price for the call option you want to buy, keeping in mind that the lower the strike price, the more expensive the option will be. Next, select the strike price for the call option you want to sell. This strike price should be higher than the strike price of the call option you are buying. The difference between the two strike prices is the width of the spread. The wider the spread, the more expensive the trade will be. Now, enter the number of contracts you want to buy and sell. Each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Make sure to review the trade details, including the net cost of the trade, the potential profit, and the potential loss. Before confirming the trade, consider the risks involved. A call-debit spread has limited potential profit and limited potential loss. The maximum profit is the difference between the two strike prices minus the net cost of the trade. The maximum loss is the net cost of the trade. To confirm the trade, click on the Buy button and review the trade details one last time. Make sure you understand the terms of the trade and the risks involved. Once you confirm the trade, the call-debit spread will be executed and you will be long the call-debit spread. It is essential to monitor your trade and adjust as needed. You can close the trade by selling the call option you bought and buying back the call option you sold. Alternatively, you can let the trade expire, in which case the options will become worthless if they are out of the money. In conclusion, buying a call-debit spread on Robinhood involves selecting the underlying asset, choosing the strike prices, entering the number of contracts, and confirming the trade. It is crucial to understand the risks and rewards involved and to monitor your trade to maximize your potential profit. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices, you can effectively buy a call-debit spread on Robinhood and start trading options like a pro.